come on into the Fix by iCity. We offer many accessories for almost every phone you possibly have. We have everything in stock, and if we don't have it for you, we'll get it for you. A new case is like a new phone. We have cases for iPhones, Samsung Galaxies, LGs, Pixels, and much, much more. We carry almost every case imaginable. OtterBox, spec cases, LifeProof. So if you're going to the beach, grab your LifeProof. If you're going out on a date tonight, get the Kate Spade case. We have everything to accommodate everyone. We carry portable chargers, LED cables, Bluetooth speakers, car holders, pop sockets, and we have premium tempered glass screen protectors for all model phones. You gotta come in and see the selection.
We sell phone cases and tempered glass. My favorite color is pink, and her favorite color is orange.
We're located inside the Bridgewater Commons Mall 7 days a week. You want to park by the Cheesecake Factory and Uncle Julio's, walk straight in past Starbucks, and we're directly under the escalator.
Come to Fix by iCity. Come to Fix by iCity. My daddy's store is always open.